This is my 1993 Range Rover Classic air intake, plenum, and throttle body. Ever since last week, when I replaced the rear shocks, I've been having some engine issues with like a high idle speed, as well as when I crank it, turn it over, it just immediately stalls within like 10 to 15 seconds. And it's stalled. So I'm going to be cleaning this today. Before I purchased the Land Rover, my only knowledge of how cars worked was the steering wheel and where the fuel tank was. I was pretty nervous about taking this thing apart and putting it back together again. In the grand scheme of things, it's nowhere near as complex as what I know other components of the engine are. Yet this has certainly taken me way longer than if I had paid someone to get it running again. I think it's unfortunate that so often our resolve in society is to pay others to do things we deem not worth our time. Educating children, growing crops, mending clothing. I want to continue building a world where my solution isn't simply to just throw money at my problems. There's certainly a time and place for expediting our roadblocks, but sometimes our desires for instant gratification can leave us hungry for something more. The benefits that can be gained through boredom, physical strain, and mental stimulation far surpass the dopamine hits when we finally get back to procrastinating or binge watching our favorite Netflix shows. This whole experience, even beyond the minor mechanical hurdles, has given me so much in the way of knowledge, patience, and creative expression.
just rush along and finish things doesn't seem right.